welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room for an introductory video for the Boho Indigo class. Now there are a lot of choices in this, and this is going to be very dependent, first of all on what you've got, and second on how you are teaching this class. I'm teaching this in full lockdown back in the UK again now, so no meeting in person, therefore no stamping. I have done a lot of punching for my lovely ladies. You may be using dies from Boho Indigo and stamps, because you may be able to get together and stamps. I'm not able to do that, so I have gone the full punch route. So although my examples do show some punches, everything that I have done shows that these are alternates. And the instructions are going to show that there are kind of alternatives that you can use. Now I have used, just so you know, I'm just going to run through it, I have used the Sprig Punch, the Butterfly Duet, large and small gleaming ornaments, the Vases Builder, the Banner Triple. The circles I've used are 1 inch and 1.5, and also a 1/2 inch circle, medium daisy, that's the other gleaming ornament. So I did a lot of punching for this. So what they had was a pack in the post that included a cello bag, because we are using a cello bag to make the outer piece of this box here. So I utilised the cello bag to put all of these pieces in, as well as all those punched pieces. I also cut all the layers of cardstock to go on top of the cards, so like navy layers. I cut all of the embossed pieces from the kit, and I cut all of the layers using the foil. Now you as a demonstrator don't need to necessarily do that. You can choose how you do this, and of course if you are able to meet in person, then you will probably be doing this very differently to all the prep that I have done here. You will probably be getting people to punch their own things as they go. So that's kind of, you may be doing this completely differently, but that's what I have prepped. I have also cut some pieces of the designer paper, but only on the boxes. So I only cut the DSP for the boxes and not for anything that was optional, because all of the cards, they can use the designer paper from the kit. So they've got a half of this this beautiful kit, so they can use the designer paper as they wish. So how I have allowed my customers to do that, or enabled my customers to do that, and also for you, are the instructions. So they've got a picture of each card, as you have, and then we've got some instructions on exactly what I did, all of the measurements, so when they cut their piece of designer paper they know exactly what that's going to be. And then all the optional bits, which for me were these. Now these sheets for you are completely editable. So if you are doing something different, you can type over that optionally, this, that and the other. You can change that out completely and give them another choice, another thing that they can do. Just put in what you have used. So all of this is editable, that you can change it up and obviously put your own logo on and so on. But each and every card you've got a picture and some instruction and all the measurements. When you're preparing this class, this is what you're going to use to prepare the cards as well. So again, you can judge with your own customers exactly what they would expect you to prepare, equally what their level of ability is, what kit and materials they have. I know my ladies have all got trimmers, so I know that they will have no problem cutting the designer paper. So that's basically where we are with these instructions. The other instructions are to make the boxes, and we've obviously got videos for all of those things. I will say also in the card video, I do, I am encouraging for my customers that they will change some of those things out, that they will change around the design, change the orientation, and I think that they will enjoy doing that. A couple of little things. We are using what we call a fork bow, how to make a tiny little bow. If you haven't done one of those, that's in the cards video as well. So I hope you enjoy teaching this beautiful class, whether you're teaching it all in one or whether you're breaking it down and doing it into 2 or more different classes. The materials from the Boho Indigo are just beautiful to use. I'm sure you will enjoy it. The foil I used was the brushed foil, but the regular foil works absolutely fine as well. So hope that all makes sense. Thank you for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room today.